Hey, I'm Luke.
I'm Adam.
And we're the Junk Hunks.
Junk Hunks! Oh yeah!
We're here to kind of give you an idea of what it is that we do. What is it that we do, Adam?
We sell stuff on eBay.
Yeah.
And we make money.
And we hardly pay for the majority of the stuff that we sell on eBay. We don't steal it. We don't do anything illegal. Everything we do is above board. No?
Up to code.
Yeah. It's legal. We don't steal
If
anything.
there was a code.
We work with businesses and people that just want to get rid of their stuff. And you'd be amazed what's out there that people want to get rid of.
There's so much stuff.
Yeah.
Nobody wants it. We want it.
Key thing to
because
this
we
is
can make
nothing
some money.
is junk. There's absolutely nothing that's junk. I mean, we have a bin here of stuff that most people did consider these junk. These are laptops here. We have a box of some manuals. Nothing great, but they're a couple dollars each. But then you get the randoms like here's a Wii.
About $10.
Yep. Here's a Game Gear. It's incredible what's out there.
But that's nothing. Our other videos will show you guys all the other things we get. And those are the exciting things.
And we'll show you guys how we do it. Tell you guys where we're getting them from. For the most part, we're not going to tell you the exact businesses and things like that.
Not specifics,
but we'll tell you about
the
general idea of like what they do, things like that, and what you need to do to get into businesses like that. From there, there's people. I mean, you can start right now. You can jump on your phone, go on Facebook, and put a posting, and look for posting for giving away free stuff. Anybody has stuff they want to give away. And the thing is, be indiscriminate. That's my favorite word right now.
It is.
It is.
It's always has been, not right now.
Not right now.
Always has.
It is very. Be indiscriminate about the stuff that you're selling, the stuff that you're picking up. It's not your opinion of what's junk or what's good. It's everything is good.
Worst come to worst, you put it in your garbage.
Yeah,
But
exactly.
keep it from their garbage. Try to make some money off of it. And yeah, I'd say 9 times out of 10 you do make some money off of it. Tons of different avenues to make money, like he said.
100%.
Facebook, businesses,
Craigslist.
shit.
Yeah.
Side of the road.
Side of the road.
sometimes.
Yeah. Yeah, some of the best things we picked up. I mean, with that Nerf flat. We picked up an entire Nerf flat. I mean, a huge bunch of Nerf stuff. We ended up selling those for like $200.
At least 3. I think we got 300.
Oh, really? Yeah. See, he's better about remembering that shit.
I'm better with numbers.
Yeah.
So, one thing we're doing with you guys is we are starting a brand new eBay store.
Brand new. Totally brand new.
It's going to be, you're going to see all the items that you see on here, or at least most of them. You're going to see them for sale. You can buy them if you want, or you can just look at them.
You can check it out, watch them. We want to give you guys full access to how we do this and what we do. So that's why we started a new store just for you guys, so you can follow us on there. See as we grow and as we build. Because I don't know if most of you people know about the way eBay stores work. That's probably why you're here watching us. But you start out with a limited number of listings. You slowly have to build up from there. You have to call eBay. You have to ask them. You have to be on top of them to make sure that they're giving you the maximum amount of listings that you can get each month. And you want to be on top of that. You want to get your listings.
Yeah, gotta get your listings. We're actually already maxed out.
Yep.
You've seen our some other videos of us with the lights, which we sold our first light, by the way, for $80. That's $5 profit total already on one sale. So that's not too bad.
And that's not just $5 profit on one light. That's $5 profit on all those pallets. So there's now every single light that
everyone
we
that
sell
sells for $80, that's straight up profit now. And we've still got $5,000 worth of them listed. Watch that video. That is video number 1.
Yeah, correct.
That's right. Introductory is actually video number 3. But that's how we do things around here. So, but with eBay, we're gonna go through everything that you guys want to know. Feedback, how you can get negative feedback deleted. Be legit, and you'll be fine. How to ship, how to list fast, what to list.
Yeah, we're going to give you all of our secrets. Because the biggest thing is they are not secrets. There is nothing special about what we do. It is simply we do what we do. And we continuously do it, and that's what we're here to show you.
And if you're going to start this, our number one rule, if you're going to start this, you want a buddy to start it with. I got this guy over here. Don't consider him a buddy, but
it's whatever.
If you're going to find a buddy, you
I just look way better next to him than anybody else, so it's like even wrong.
Well, he's got more hair, so it kind of evens us out, I guess. You got to find a let's do this buddy. When you ask them if you want to do it, they say, oh, sure.
They want to work on stuff. Totally just work on listing stuff. It's a let's do this buddy. He doesn't get that part.
But yeah, it's work, but it's fun.
It's a blast. And that's the biggest thing. Remember, it's got to be fun.
Yeah.
Hey everybody, thanks for watching.
Please like, share, and comment below.
Comment below, guys.
Don't forget to subscribe. It's free.
Be sure to tell us everything that you think